Welcome back. Today, we're going to be taking a look at life insurance. My name is Adam Lasowski. Welcome to the 3-Minute Advisor. Let's start the clock. While life insurance might not be the most exciting topic for many, it's certainly an important one when it comes to your overall financial health. When a loved one passes away, it can be an obviously very traumatic experience, but can also have some pretty significant financial impact as well, unless proper planning has been done. In today's video, I want to give you some of the considerations of life insurance and really encourage you to go out, examine your own specific situation, check your coverages, and try to make a good decision for yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. Life insurance is an insurance contract that's going to pay out a tax-free sum of money, well, typically tax-free, to a beneficiary in the event that you pass away early. Now, not all life insurance is the same. There are a lot of different types, and in this video, I feel like this is becoming my catchphrase here, is we're barely going to be able to scratch the surface. You're going to need to use this video as a springboard to really go and explore. But as you do that, I wanted to make sure you got an idea of a couple of different types of insurance and also a couple of the key terms that you're going to see along the way. For instance, a death benefit. It's a term you're going to see quite a bit. The death benefit is simply just how much money the insurance contract is going to pay out to the beneficiary when the insured person passes. Premiums is the amount that you're going to pay on a regular interval to keep the policy in force. And cash value, that's an amount that for certain contracts can build up and be withdrawn later. First up, group coverage through an employer. Many companies are going to offer their employees some basic level of coverage as a benefit for working there. This coverage is going to end when you retire or if you leave the company. However, for most, this is the most affordable way to get insurance coverage in place. And if you're somebody who's seeking to get additional coverage, more death benefit, this is oftentimes a great place to start. Next, we're going to talk briefly about term insurance. Term insurance is going to be insurance that's in place for a given term. For instance, a 20-year term policy is going to pay out a death benefit if you were to pass away during those 20 years. At the end of that 20 years, your coverage is no longer in place. Finally, we're going to discuss cash value insurance. Cash value insurance is typically insurance that's going to cover you throughout your entire life, though not always, but it has a cash value that's going to continue to grow as well. So if you decide to cancel the policy or move the policy to a different type of insurance, there's some residual value there that might be able to be withdrawn or transferred. Here are a couple questions to ask yourself to tie this into your own specific situation. I want you to think about your expenses and your savings goals. Is there someone who depends on you to pay a share of those expenses or is saving alongside you for those same savings goals? If you were to pass away suddenly, would they have to compromise those savings goals or would they struggle to pay those same expenses? Now, how much money would they need to get tomorrow in order to keep them on track for those savings? Now, when it comes to planning your financial future, you can do this. And if you can't, reach out, let us know, and maybe we can help. Thanks for watching.